Next session, which is Reimagining 2D design powered by DraftSight. Over the years, our customers have adopted DraftSight, which helps them to meet all their drafting, modeling, prototyping, manufacturing needs with a robust 2D drafting environment. DraftSight is a 2D CAD solution for engineers, designers, architects, and construction service providers. So let us hear from the gentleman who is going to come and give us the brief information on that. Let's put our hands together and please welcome Mr. Sangeet Ram.
I'm Sangeet Ram. I'm working as a solution specialist at Conceptcheck Connect. So from the morning till now, you would have seen the enhancement which has happened in SolidWorks 3D CAD, SolidWorks simulation, and 3D experience cloud service, right? So let's get into the 2D CAD called DraftSight, okay? So this will be our agenda for this session. I will give the short brief introduction about the DraftSight, and we'll see what and all value add-on benefits which is there in DraftSight, and then we'll see what and all new enhancement which is introduced in 2025 DraftSight, right? So what is DraftSight? So how many of you know what is DraftSight? Yes, it is 2D DraftSight. Got it. So many of our customers, many of our users, like they'll be thinking like SolidWorks are offering SolidWorks 3D CAD, SolidWorks simulation, and multiple products like electrical, and then 3D experience cloud service, right? But we do have beautiful, powerful 2D CAD solution called DraftSight. So this is our very own tool, which is developed by Dassault Systems, okay? So DraftSight is a very powerful 2D CAD for the engineers, designers, for like all the vertical, like mechanical, electrical, civil, and architectural. Okay, so let's see what and all value add-on benefits which is there in DraftSight. So our first add-on is lifetime license, right? So nowadays, all the license that getting into term license, right? So we are offering both the solutions. We do have term license as well as the lifetime license, perpetual license also. If you are looking for like any temporary projects or else any short-term design process, you can go with the term license. But if you're looking for long-term design process, you can go with the perpetual lifetime license, that is DraftSight. And floating license. So floating license in the sense, network license. So usually network license, how it will work is kind of flexible license, right? So DraftSight also, by default, it will come as a network license only. So for example, if you have 10 users, that 10 users, they're working in the shift basis, like 5 users. So you no need to buy 10 license for 10 users. Instead, you can buy the 5 license and you can install those 5 license on the 10 systems. And then if you're traveling in emergency situation or else if you're doing work from home, you no need to carry that laptop or else the system which is already installed that software. So by using VPN, easily can able to access the license by using your server. And the major thing is, like 3D software, you no need to install any separate server or else any network server. You can utilize you can consider your organization Wi-Fi or any kind of server as a network here. And support system. So our customers knows how efficiently we are providing the support for SolidWorks, right? In terms of training aspect, in terms of any technical glitch or any software issues, whatever happens, we'll be always there for you to help you for the support system, right? That same support system, that same support structure will be applicable for DraftSight also here. And familiar interface and the commands. So whenever shifting to new license, from one license to another license, our mindset will be always like, we'll be thinking, I am familiar with these commands, I am familiar with this interface. So how much time it will take me to adopt with the new software, right? So here, you no need to worry about those things. You will get the same familiar commands as well as the interface in the DraftSight also, which I'll be showcasing in the upcoming slides. And we do have some features which is advanced in the DraftSight that will be showcasing in the upcoming slides. And finally, last but not least, the cost savings. So everyone will be looking for the cost savings, right? Not only the professional way, even the personal way will be looking for the cost savings. So right now, there will be multiple offers going on the DraftSight. So if you're interested, kindly touch with our sales team. They will provide the right solution at the right place. Okay, let's see the DraftSight interface here. You can able to see, this is a DraftSight interface. You can able to see the drawing tools, modify tools, annotations, and even the layer management, properties, all the interface, atmosphere, everything looks like your same 2D exiting software, right? Not only the atmosphere interface, even the commands. So you'll do L enter line. It'll also same thing, L enter line. REC enter, rectangle. Here also will apply the same thing. And even layers, LA enter. And if you want to edit dimension, DMISTY, dimension style. So you'll get all the commands, everything will be same like your familiar commands only. And we do provide the 3D modeling also. will be provided like extrude and revolve, sweep. The 3D modeling basic things, everything will be available in the 3D modeling. And we have mode called classic mode. This is old traditional mode where you can load all your feature which are going to work, you can load it in interface itself. So no need to put the commands and search the commands over here. And we do have custom mode. In the custom mode, you can, whichever tool is required, whichever tab is required, only those things I can able to make it in my interface here, right? And this is, I think SolidWorks user would have seen this one, that mouse gestures, right? So we do have that option in SolidWorks DraftSight also here, where whichever the frequently used commands, you can able to load it over here. Coming to the next, auto dimension. So design we can do, right? Obviously design time, it will take much time. But compare the design, the dimensioning, annotation is the most important thing where you have to be very careful, right? So in DraftSight, we do have auto dimension. So generally, this will be our traditional way, right? We'll be picking the 2 points and we'll provide the dimension to the placement we'll do. But we have option called smart dimension where while selecting the entity, automatically analyze the endpoints and it will provide the dimension. Even the placement for any diameter or else any kind of circle, directly as per the angle, easily can able to do the placements over here, right? So this will make your drafting neat and clean. This is one kind of dimensions we can do. And another dimension, we do option called auto dimension. In the auto dimension, we can able to make automatic dimension for the selected entities. For example, if I want to make dimension for only the rectangle and the circle, so only I can able to choose only that one, and easily once I click the preview here, automatically it will provide the dimension for this one. So this will help you to increase your productivity, right? And we not only the baseline, even for the ordinate also, from the origin point, we can able to provide the pitch values here. So this is one of the most beautiful feature which I liked in DraftSight, right? And coming to the next, we have a PDF import. So when I had some 4.5 means I worked as a design engineer for 4 to 5 years. When I was working as a design engineer, my clients used to share the file as a PDF file only, that drawing file. So what I used to do, I have to open Chrome, I have to find any nice PDF converter to DWG, then I have to upload that file into online, then I have to download that, I have to convert it, then I have to download it as a DWG file. But once I download it, if I open that in 2D software, I don't know which scale it will come, scale factor it will come. And along with that, I don't know, that entities also, it will be broken. It will be not like single entity, okay? But in DraftSight, we do have inbuilt PDF converter, where once you import the PDF file, you no need to do any online conversion. Directly, you can select the PDF file and you can able to open it here. You can select the multiple sheet if it's required, right? Here only you'll get the scale factor. We can mention the scale factor as well as the rotation angle, everything. Once you import it, you no need to do anything. Just you have to select that file and you have to do explode. That is X enter. Once you exploded that file, automatically that PDF file will convert as a entities here. It's not only the entity, even you can able to see, it will be like single entity. It will not be like multiple entity. Even the any kind of polygon also, you can able to see, it will be like single polygon. Okay, so this will help you to, even annotations and dimensioning, whatever you want to change it, easily can able to rework on that PDF file. So this is one of the beautiful option which is there in DraftSight. Okay, and draw compare. So generally, how many of you are working on the revision files, revision management? I think revisions, right? So A1 revision, A2 revision, people are working, right? So generally, if I'm working in the revision 1, so I'll do some modification on the revision 1 file and I'll change some update on the revision 2, right? Now I want to compare, I want to cross-check between the 2 revisions. Now, how you're going to do it here? So we do have an option, power tool called draw compare, where I can load that both the revision in the draw compare tool, where once I uploaded that revision 1 file here, and what I'll do, I'll upload the another file on the another revision file. So once I uploaded, easily I can able to cross-verify between the 2 revisions, like what are the changes I've added in the new revision, what are the changes I've removed in this revision. So once I click the draw compare over there, then automatically it will be highlighting with the different color in that revisions, what are the changes you made it between the 2 diagrams. Now you can able to see that is addition and removal. If I want to see only the removals, I can uncheck the additions. You can able to see before it was there. Now I have removed that one. It will be showcasing the different color. You can choose the color also, however you want. So before it was there, now it is not there. So like that, even if it comes to addition part. So we can able to check the addition and we can able to check what and all things you have removed, what all things you added from revision 1 to revision 2, right? So this is one of the beautiful tool which is there in DraftSight. And let's see, I'll showcase, I'll take 2-3 minutes. What and all new enhancement which is happened in 2025 DraftSight here, okay? So first enhancement is, I have done many demos to my customers on DraftSight. So there will be always feedback, because SolidWorks users, Kata users, easily they can able to import that file, directly the 3D file into DraftSight here. But comes to non-SolidWorks users, how they're going to import those files in the DraftSight. So now we have option called step file import, where whenever you've done the design in non-SolidWorks users, easily can able to convert the design data into step file, and then easily can able to import that file into DraftSight interface directly. So once you got imported, you can able to see all the views, whatever views you want to change it, and you can able to do the draftings also over here. Okay, and DGN, I'll just skip this. So multiple visibility. So before in 2024 DraftSight, we had only one visibility. To create the multiple visibility, I used to create multiple blocks for the multiple visibility. But in 2025 enhancement, in the single block itself, you can able to create the multiple visibility, where you don't need to create the multiple blocks over here. So that is one of the beautiful enhancement which is there in DraftSight. And dimension space. So this will be the last. So whenever you are making the drawing sheet, if I'm sending to the manufacturing team or else any kind of team, the drafting sheet should be neat and clean. That we will be expecting, as well as the production team also will expect the same thing, right? So in the 2024 enhancement, we have option called dimension space. Like we can say auto range in SolidWorks, right? So whenever your dimension is congested or else it's overlapping, by use you can select all the dimensions and easily can able to arrange it with the space, like between two dimensions. So once I click dimension space, you can able to see it is arranged between the two dimension space, automatically is arranged with certain distance. Okay, so since we are running out of time, so I am just closing this session. And if you are interested in DraftSight, or if you are willing to see the full demo, kindly contact our sales teams. We will come to your place and we'll provide the right solution with the right technology. Right? Thank you so much, guys.